Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Helen Olia Vindiani from English Language Teaching Department 5D IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon. Today I will present material topic about descriptive text and procedure text, skills, writing, and grade for junior high school. Next, the first material is descriptive text. Does anyone know what is the descriptive text? Descriptive text is text to describe a person or subject or a certain place or object or things. Second is goal. The goal of descriptive text is to describe a particular person, thing, or place or object in specifically. So the goal is similar with the definition. See the generic structure. What are? The first is identification. What is that? Identification is the introduction of a person, place, or object will be described. Second is description. What is that? Description includes a something such as person, place, or object by describing its features, forms, colors, or anything related to what the writer described. Okay, next, move to the language features. What are language features in descriptive text? The first is specific participant. What is specific participant? Specific participants, which means has a certain object, is not common, unique, or only one. For example, Ubud Beach, Borobudur Temple, my house, and etc. Second is using the adjective. What the meaning? The use of adjective means to clarify the noun. For example, a beautiful cat, a pretty woman, a handsome man, maybe, and etc. The third is using simple present tense. The use of simple present tense or verb one because it tells the fact of the object will be described. So in descriptive text, using simple present tense to not simple past tense or simple future tense. And the last is using action verb. What is that? Using action verb used to show an activity. For example, run, sleep, walk, shit, cut, and etc. Okay, did you get the point? Next, move to the example of descriptive text. Okay, this is a example. The title is My Neighbor's Cat. Okay, in the first paragraph, there is a identification because in this paragraph explaining the introduce of neighbor cat. And the second paragraph is the cat's color is a little blonde brown. Example, there is a include description because explaining the describe specifically of cat. Okay, next, move to the next material, procedure text. What is procedure text? Does anybody know? Okay, I will discuss. Procedure text is text used to explain how to do or how to make something. Maybe how to make something like how to make a coffee or how to make a chicken roast or extra. And then beside that in procedure text is to explain or how to instruct about the something, maybe how to operate the handphone, is include the procedure text. And generic structure of procedure text, what are they? The first is goal. What is the goal? The goal is to explain or to tell the reader how to do or how to make something through a sequence of action or step. So in procedure, the goal is to explain the reader how to make a something or how to instruct, how to do operate something, a sequence of action or step, maybe like step firstly, secondly, next, and an extra. The second generic structure is ingredients or materials. Yes, of course, in procedure text, must be also ingredients or material, because in this explaining about how to make a something. So ingredient or material aspect is should be two. The third is step or method. Yes, in procedure text, need to step or method to making a something or instruction a something, like firstly put blah 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 maybe, and then second hit the butter maybe, and an extra like that. And the third is language features. What is language features in procedure text? Okay, well, discuss about that. The first is use adverbial of sequence. What the meaning is adverbial of sequence? Use adverbial of sequence, maybe we make a coffee, we need to step to make a coffee, maybe firstly hit the coffee, maybe secondly, next, and finally. The second is use imperative sentence. In bahasa, imperative sentence is kalimat perintah. Yes, maybe like that, and I explain also. Maybe is hit the butter, marinate the salmon, add the sugar, add the salt, and an extra. Okay, you get the point. I hope you get the point. The third is use adverbials to express the time, place, manner, accurate. Yes, in procedure, must be used adverbial because to explaining, to express the time, maybe time is 2 hours or 10 minutes, and then place and manner accurate, like that. For example, is 4 5 minutes, 2 hours, and extra. The fourth is use action verb. Yes, use action verb similar with the descriptive text, like put, boil, make, add, and extra. And the last is use simple present tense or verb one. Yes, in procedure text also using simple present tense, similar with the descriptive. Why procedure use simple present tense? Because in procedure is to explain how to do or how to make something. So we doing the something in the now, and so simple present tense will be using and not using simple past tense or future continuous or others. Okay, this is an example of procedure text. The title is How to Make Grilled Salmon. Yes, I choose the title because I love grilled salmon. So I choose this title. Okay, this is I will discuss the generic structure. The first is ingredients or materials, how to make grilled salmon. Yes, the first is one salmon fillet. Of course, salt, pepper, lemon, butter or olive oil, broccoli or tomato as a garnish, rice, teflon, stove, spatula, plate. This is ingredients or materials. What is the steps of how to make grilled salmon? The first is prepare a plate and put the salmon on the plate. Then coat with lemon so it does not get fishy. And marinate with salt and pepper less than 2 minutes so the spices are absorbed. The secondly, turn on the stove and then prepare the teflon and heat the butter or olive oil. Of course, anything, whatever, what do you want. Thirdly, put the marinade salmon into Teflon, grill for 5 until 7 minutes maybe, turning it over so that both sides cook evenly. Do this slowly so that the texture of the salmon doesn't crumble or in bahasa tidak hancur. Next, once cooked, turn off the stove and the salmon is ready to be served on a serving plate. And finally, okay, please attention in procedure text in step eh, in ended step we will use finally because in it must be finally used to doing something. Okay, continue. Finally, prepare a serving plate, then put the salmon on a serving plate. You can add rice or potatoes to taste, or like broccoli, lettuce, or tomatoes as a garnish, and grilled salmon is ready to serve and taste. Okay, this is a step for how to make a grilled salmon, the example of procedure text. Okay, I think enough from me. Maybe because time is over, and I hope you understand about these materials, and I hope you are stay safe in this pandemic. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.